Go Bag is a small emergency preparedness bag containing essential supplies for a short-term crisis.
The purpose of a go bag is to have a ready essential kit in case of a sudden evacuation, such as during a natural disaster, fire, or other emergency. It helps to ensure you have the essentials to survive until help arrives or you reach a safety location.
Here are some common items found in a go bag.
Bottled water. Water at least one with reusable water, but bottle is essential considered water or potential table or a portable filter for emergencies.
Food supplies. Supplies. If you have pets, pack a day's worth of food in water or leash in a carry.
Emergency blanket. This provides warmth and protection from the elements.
Radio. Weather radio. No, weather radio helps. Minor weather alerts and provide crucial information.
First aid kit. These should include bandages, antiseptic, wipes, pain reliever, cold and hot compress, and any essential medications. Alcohol, wipes, towel, gasa, agua oxinada, cotton, gauze bandage, cold and hot compress, betadine, vitamins and medicines, and water and snacks.
Money we need to keep money aside for what we need to spend on other things.
Basic essential food, pack lightweight and non-perishable food like energy bars and nuts. This should provide sustenance for a day or two.
Multi-tool. A multi-tool with a knife, screwdrivers, pliers, and other useful tools can be incredibly handy.
Items. Personal items include toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, and Rexona and other personal hygiene.
Flashlight. A durable flashlight with extra batteries. Consider an LED flashlight for longer battery life.
Additional items.
Important documents. Keep copies of essential documents like identification, insurance policies, medical prescription, and emergency contact information.